folks. Alison here, UVLT's Programs Director, and today we are out at the Up on the Hill Food Pantry Garden in Charlestown, New Hampshire. It's another Field Notes Friday from Up on the Hill, and we are out here putting our beds to rest for the winter, and we found this little guy trying to find a restful winter spot in one of our beds. So this is colloquially known as a woolly bear. It's actually the larval stage of the Isabella Tiger Moth. And if you recognize this caterpillar, you probably have heard that these caterpillars can predict what the winter is going to be like. So the way that the folklore goes, the wider that rust-colored band in the middle is, the more mild the winter will be. And the more black that the caterpillar has, the more severe the winter. So I wanted to look and see if I could find any evidence of this actually being true, because that guy does have a pretty wide rust-colored band, and it is 75 degrees on October 15th today. So there actually was a scientific experiment in 1948 done by Dr. C.H. Curran at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City. He observed woolly bears for 8 years and tried to see if there was any correlation between the size of the rust-colored patch and the weather in the winter. Now, he did find that there was some correlation between the size of the rust patch and the mild winters. However, he had a very small sample size, and we all know that correlation does not equal causation. Most scientists do say that this is just folklore, that there is not any correlation between the size of the rust-colored patch and the severity of the winter. But it is kind of fun to think about, and I do think that we are maybe going to see a more mild winter than we are used to this year. So this woolly bear, at least, is predicting the future for us. All right, that's it for Field Notes Fridays, folks. Have a great weekend.